Hai, ketemu lagi dengan Mas Bro nih guys. Ya, di video ini saya kembali lagi ke asalnya. Saya user tank. Di video ini saya user Baxianya ya, nemenin Hanabi. Di kesempatan ini saya akan berbagi trik. Mungkin teman-teman boleh dilihat ya cara main Baxianya ya. Top global Makassar ini. Jadi gak top global dunia lagi, top global Makassar saja lah, cukup ini. Boleh yang silakan yang baru bergabung di subscribe channelnya biar gurih-gurih nyoy, biar jos, biar semangat upload videonya ya guys. Ini saya di sini main sama Roger, Hanabi, Hayabusa sama miniatur ya, 2 tank ya. Untuk lawannya teman-teman bisa dilihat ya. Ada ini ya, ada Esper ya. Boleh yang mau mabar silakan dicantumkan di kolom komentar ya guys. ID emailnya. Ntar saya juga di ID email saya ada di situ. Barangkali teman-teman yang mau mabar dengan Mas Bro ini. Oke, untuk yang pertama kita seperti biasa ya, biar gurih-gurih nyoy, farming cantik dulu. Oh ya guys, untuk seperti yang saya sudah sering jelasin ya, untuk di pertama jangan keburu war dulu ya. Kita jadiin MM dulu ya. Triknya itu ya. Jangan sampai kalah level ya. Biar hero core musuh nggak jadi. Jadi kita sabar saja, nggak usah kepancing sama lawan, nggak usah barbar dulu lah. Ya pokoknya yang penting jadi dulu. Ini game tuh gampang ya untuk teman-teman ya. Harus kompak mainnya ya. Kita untuk teman-teman boleh diperhatikan mapnya ya, map atas. Oke, tonton terus saja, pokoknya simak terus sampai habis biar gak gagal paham teman-teman. Semoga video ini bermanfaat buat kalian ya. Oke, sampai di sini saja saya ngomongnya. Teman-teman lanjut aja nontonnya, jangan cuma sampai di sini nanti ini ya. Sampai thank you for watching, apa itu saya juga nggak ngerti bahasanya, bahasa susah, bahasa Inggris, bahasa Jawa jangan cus saya ya. Oke, bye bye.
Just feel my heart-stopping power! Power! Strength does not come from the flesh, but from power yielded will. I that spark fly wherever I go! Initiate retreat! Is the heart. What we crave is to play. Retreat. It's not your fault being defeated by me. Launch attack. Justice is to heart what strength is to body. Power.
Request backup. An enemy has been slain.
Just feel my heart-stopping power.
You have slain an enemy. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has been slain. Our turret is under. Ally has been slain.
Stopping power.
Request backup. Ally has been slain.
I set spark flying.
Ally has been slain. Mega kill. Initiate retreat.
Brotherhood is a double-edged sword.
Launch attack. Under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack. Our turret is under attack.
Just feel my heart-stopping power.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Feel his will.
Launch attack.
Brotherhood.
Ally has been slain.
Does not come from the flesh, but from an unyielding
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Shut down. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed a turret. Enemy killing spree. Initiate retreat. Launch attack is under attack.
Justice is to heart what strength is to body. Strength does not
Launch
come from the
attack.
flesh, but from an unyielding will.
Initiate retreat. The enemy has slain Lord. Launch attack. Our turret is under attack.
I set justice is to
An
heart.
enemy has been slain. Shut down. Initiate retreat.
Strength does not come from the flesh, but from an unyielding will.
Your team destroyed a turret. Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Justice is to heart what strength is to body.
An enemy has been retreat.
Brotherhood.
Launch attack. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Strength does not come from the stars, but from an unyielding will. The power of the Black Tortoise is always
Initiate retreat. Request backup. Launch attack.
double-edged sword. Ice and fire.
Mega kill.
Justice is to power. Strength is to body.
An enemy has been slain.
Not come from flesh, but from an unyielding will.
Initiate retreat.
Justice is to heart. Strength is to body. Strength flesh, but from an unyielding will.
Initiate retreat.
The power of the Black Tortoise is always formidable.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Strength does not come from flesh, but from an unyielding will.
Lord resurrecting King. An enemy has been slain. Unstoppable. Double kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
Justice is to heart, but strength is to body.
Request backup. Shut down.
The power of the
Initiate retreat.
will. The power of the Black Wherever I go.
Initiate retreat.
Take care, load.
Enemy has